Do you want to learn to iron next year?
Nah.
I can't, I've got clinic.
Oh yeah, I'm free. Oh wait a minute, I have clinic this week.
So is this even going to be on boards?
Seriously, if you didn't highlight it, you didn't learn it.
Oh, I totally have a clinic for that.
Is that a vagina? How much did it cost us?
I just love how they let us part so close.
How many cups of coffee you had today? I don't know, like 2, 4, 6? I don't know, who's counting?
What Starbucks level are you up to? I just got my gold card. You smell like Old Soul. The first years are making out with each other again.
How many times have you almost thrown up in derm? You know, there's just something about the word ointment that just makes me uncomfortable.
That's gross. Can I touch it?
I don't want to see any more pus.
It's probably lupus. It's lupus.
It's never lupus.
It's always lupus.
It's never lupus.
It's lupus. It's definitely lupus. It's always lupus. Lupus, definitely lupus. And this one's lupus. Lupus.
Thiazolidine-dione. 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 Thiazolidine.
Wait, was this in first aid?
You know, that's not high yield.
Dude, doctoring is so high yield.
Don't listen to the third years. The fourth years just invited us to party. Nice. What? They just uninvited us.
Poor form. But now they want us to come because they couldn't finish their keg.
Oh, I'm so shocked. When does that financial aid come in?
Wait, when are we getting financial aid?
If I just had one more day.
Quiz and finals, quiz and finals, quiz and finals, quiz and finals.
How much caffeine is in this?
Yeah, it's all about the colors.
They smell like Old Soul.
Aw, 237 slides. Not in it.
How about you making a PowerPoint less than 100 slides?
Seriously?
Oh. Did I go outside today? No. Oh man, there's more people in class than usual today. Hey dude.
Is there a sign-in sheet?
Is this class required?
No.
Is this class mandatory? No.
Mandatory?
No.
No. I'm serious. Is there a sign-in sheet?
I got out of bed for this.
So if I failed doctoring, does that mean I can still be a good doctor?
I need to pass doctoring. I can't afford that.
The first years are competing in the stairwell again.
What?
Damn, the MS1s are making us look professional.
Steph, what'd you get on that test? Totally bombed. What'd you get, like an 85?
72 questions. Fuck, this is gonna take me like 20 minutes.
The first years are doing shots again.
I'm totally not stress eating.
Am I going? Do they have food?
Wait, are there cookies in the lounge? Is there gonna be food at the meeting?
Let's go steal cookies from the school of management.
Dude, I just stole so much food.
I'm totally not stress eating.
Hey, should I get the new first aid? I heard it has color pictures.
Nah!
Are you really filming for Mirth when we should be studying for boards?
Nah!